What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the Brandon Coin YouTube channel. I hope everybody's having a great day. It is June 22nd, 2022. Yeah, wow, time is flying. So, the dumping or the unloading of GPUs is starting to happen. Prices are coming down. So, if you're looking to buy graphics cards, not only for mining, but for gaming, it's going to be a good time. You guys are going to reap the benefits. Like I was saying earlier, I don't know what, a week or 2 weeks ago, maybe just hold off buying graphics cards back then because as profitability goes down, crypto keeps going down. More cards are going to hit the market, and obviously, the more cards there are, the prices are going to go down. So, let me jump on this article right here. There was some $500. There we go. $523 3080s. So let me mute that real quick. This is over at Tom's Hardware, tomshardware.com. Finally, the light at the end of the tunnel. Cryptocurrency miners in China have started dismantling their operations and offloading the best graphics cards on the secondhand market. As Bitcoin and Ethereum came crashing down, graphics card prices began to normalize. Miners are looking to cut their losses and sell off their equipment. Sellers have flooded, I don't even know how to pronounce that, Xiangqiu, a second-hand Chinese marketplace similar to eBay with many used RTX 30 series Ampere graphics cards. We suspect that the miners aren't the only ones getting rid of their stock, but the website similar to eBay in China also includes scalpers and internet cafe owners. For example, Twitter user iLeakVN spotted multiple listings of custom GeForce RTX 3080 graphics cards reportedly selling for 3,500 won, or about $520. For reference, the GeForce RTX 3080 has a $699 MSRP, so these used graphics cards are selling way below MSRP. In addition, Twitter user Mega Size GPU discovered that some sellers deviously used fake pricing to attract buyers. In reality, some of the merchants are asking for between $600 to $750 for a RTX 3080. Some miners have resorted to live stream auctions to get rid of their graphics cards. As per Baidu Post, miners are selling tons of 3060 Ti graphics cards between $300 to $350. Once upon a time, the RTX 3060 Ti was one of the most popular models for mining, even its performance and price tag. Given its performance and price tag. But unfortunately, the Ampere powered graphics cards are just lying on the floor like cheap rugs waiting for the highest bidder. And look at that, tons and tons of cards for sale. It's not just the minor league cryptocurrency miners feeling the crypto squeeze. Even big mining farms like Toronto-based outfit Bitfarms have started to take action. According to a CoinDesk report, Bitfarms sold 3,000 BTC valued at 62 million to reduce the company's debt and boost liquidity. Holy smokes, they sold 3,000 Bitcoin. Like how much are they holding? The company is now down to 3,349 BTC in addition. Oh, so they liquidated about half of their holdings. Wow. Riot Blockchain, one of the big name miners, has started selling its Bitcoin since April to raise cash. Ethereum's transition to proof of stake, commonly known as the merge, has suffered multiple setbacks over the years. Ethereum developer Tim Bako expects the merge to reach completion between August and November. Miners still have a few months to unload their assets. However, it wouldn't be very intelligent to pick up a graphics card with a history of operating 24/7 in cryptocurrency mines. Okay, hold on. Let me stop this entire article right there. There's nothing proven that a mined on card is any worse than a gamed on card. I believe Linus Tech Tips had a few videos on this, and it was like he knocked it out of the park, saying if you can save money and buy a graphics card that was mined on, for the most case or most situations, 99% of the time, save that money, buy that used mining card. I don't think it's very. It wouldn't be very intelligent. That's wrong. Whoever wrote this article at Tom's Hardware, tisk tisk. Most miners take very good care of their cards, and they keep them at a pretty decent temperature. So yeah. Anyway, but who knows? Maybe used Ampere graphics cards will be dirt cheap by November and worth the gamble. It's not a gamble. It's literally not a gamble. I mean, there's still Polaris cards that have been running for, you know, coming up on half a decade mining, and they're completely fine. But anyway, I did want to look over on the US side of things and see what cards are going for. So RTX 3080s on eBay, it looks like it pretty much start around. Oh my god, I just hammered the microphone, the boom for the microphone. I apologize if that made a super loud noise. RIP headphone users. There were some cheaper ones, but those are like, parts only. It looks like they start pre-owned at about 670 bucks, 680, 670, 670, 680. So about for under $700 or right under MSRP, it looks like you can pick up a Zotac, a OEM. There's another Zotac, and everything else is pretty much at MSRP for EVGA, MSI. So prices are getting there. I think there's a lot of people holding out right now. And if you think this is good, just wait till proof of stake comes for Ethereum. So looking like another, month and a half, 2 months. Once August hits and potentially we go proof of stake or the difficulty bomb hits, and then, mining profitability on Ethereum goes, like, people think it's bad now. It's going to be bad. And once it gets even worse, and then people start selling off even more cards, I suspect 3080s will be, $450 to $550 GPUs. So, yeah, take that grain of salt, whatever you guys think. Comment down below. Are you guys buying graphics cards right now? Are you waiting for even better pricing? So, yeah, let me know. All right, guys. With that being said, I'm going to hop off here. I hope everybody's having a great day. And yeah, we'll see you on the next one. Adios.